Hello everyone. So welcome to this initiative, uh, Anthropology 300 plus. So let me give you my introduction. I am Patil Yogesh Ashokrao. I have secured All India rank 231 in CSE 2018. It was my very first attempt. My graduation, I completed my graduation in 2017 in BTech Mechanical. In BTech Mechanical from College of Engineering Pune of Maharashtra. And after that I straight away went to Delhi and I completed the classes there, and after that I gave my attempt in 2018, and in that attempt I got All India rank 231 and my anthropology score was 325. And everybody knows, those people who have given this exam or those people who were preparing at that time, they know how difficult was this paper, because in 2017 you can see that there were 4 toppers in top 10: All India rank 1, All India rank 3, All India rank 4, All India rank 6, All India rank 7, not All India rank 4, 3, 6, 7 and 1. Okay, so everybody has anthropology as the optional. So after that in 2018 the paper got difficult, मतलब उनका एक थोड़ा सा लेवल चेंज हो गया. Okay, so this 325 I scored. That paper was difficult. Still, I scored 325. I was first in my state, that is Maharashtra, and I think All India my score must be fifth, maybe fifth or sixth. So 325. The division was 164 marks in paper 1 and 161 marks in paper 2. So this was the division of my marks, and as you are saying, I have named this program Anthropology 300 plus. So why 300 plus? Why not something else? Why 300 plus? Let me tell you, friends. Many of you maybe may know it, or many of you don't know it. Now we have got IAS, IPS, then maybe Indian Foreign Service, then maybe Indian Revenue Service, Income Tax, then Customs, and all other services. There are around 24 services. Okay, so why do we need 300 plus in optional? Why everyone is running behind that? See, now I got IPS, but when I started preparing for this UPSC exam, my aim was to get into IAS. Now I got 325, but I got less marks in essay. I got 107 at that time, so I could not achieve my dream of IAS. So I got IPS. Again, I am not saying IPS is a bad service. IPS, again, it is All India service and it is a very good service. But your aspirations, your dream can be something else. So to achieve that dream, so हमको बहुत time we get one service less. एक तो ये होता है कि to get your dream service. Then second is your cadre. Now at this stage of your preparation, you just feel that okay, I should be in the list. But when you will be in the list, you will think of dream service and dream cadre. Now cadre is very important. To get cadre, you need again 300 plus marks, because of this zonal policy. I mean, I don't know if you know it or not. There are zones, 5 zones, 5 or 6 zones, 5 zones. So in this, all the cadres are divided. So to get your dream cadre, you need very good marks in your optional. Okay. So that's why this program is 300 plus, because there is a high chance that the marks, 300 plus marks, they can help you to get your dream service and dream cadre. Now I have seen that many people, they score 260 to 70 marks in anthropology. I have seen many students, many senior students also, they stuck with 270 marks and they are not capable, or they after a lot of efforts they are not able to get past this 300 plus mark. Okay, so what is the reason behind that? See, I see the reason behind that is the answer. If you are writing any answer, you may not be understanding the demand of that question. One reason. Second is your structure of answer. Structure of answer is very important. I will tell you one example from my own. Now there was this cultural materialism. This question was for 10 marks in CSE 2019. It was for 10 marks. Now कल्चरल मटेरियलिज्म अगर आपने थोड़ा भी पढ़ा होगा तो यू नो एंथ्रोपोलॉजिकल थ्योरी में ये मार्विन हैरिस ने दिया है. Now you will write the introduction, the name of his book, and after that you will start writing basic premises, that is infrastructure, superstructure. Okay, so you will write that. So when you are writing that, if you are limiting yourself to this content only, then you won't get 6 mark or 7 mark out of 10. Okay, so what I did, I wrote intro, then I wrote basic premises, then I wrote case study, then I wrote contemporary relevance, then I wrote criticism, then I wrote any example or anything. I think I have taken one more heading here. So I have divided my answer into 5 to 6 headings. So structure of answer is very important, because with that structure you can write a very effective answer in very short time and with very limited words. But many people don't know this, because nobody guides you. That's why this program is different. What is the different thing about this program? This program is very customized. I don't think somebody has started such kind of program. Okay, this is not a traditional test series or traditional classroom program. This program is about to get you that mark of 300. Again, it is not saturated thing. You can go, like last time the topper was 362 marks. Okay, you can go far beyond that. But to go beyond that, when the time is limited, you need some kind of right guidance, because in anthropology there is no one source from which you can cover everything. And again I am telling you, don't rely on any one particular book. That can be dangerous for you. Don't rely on any single book, because it is impossible to cover entire syllabus of anthropology in one particular book. Okay, it is difficult. Every book has some very good qualities. Okay, I'm not saying that books are not good. Every book has its own good qualities, but that does not mean that that book can cover entire syllabus. So what is the special about this is see, now when you want to score, when you want to go beyond this 300 marks, one is your sources. So from where you study. Now मुझे ये बहुत सारे कंप्लेंट्स आती हैं, या मैंने भी मेरे प्रिपरेशन के इनिशियली ये मतलब देखा था कि when you are reading you have lot of sources. Now you get confused. So here I'll be giving exact source for every topic. Exact source. Let's say archaeology. Archaeology कहाँ से पढ़ना है? Okay, you have to read from here. And if possible, for most of the things I'll be providing soft copy. I'll be providing soft copy of that source. So because many people, they are at home and they don't have anthropology material, so that won't be an issue for you. That won't be an issue for you, because I'll be providing some material to you guys. Okay, so you can read from that. So sources is very important. Second is your notes making. Again, I'll be helping you guys with this. In notes making, I'll be helping how to make notes, how to write. Okay, how to make precise notes so that it will be easy to write answers. I'll be helping in this also. Then here what we are doing, on every Monday or in each particular week, I'll be giving a particular syllabus. The syllabus, the copy has been provided to you. So I'll be giving some particular syllabus, and I will also give sources from where to study that particular syllabus. You make notes. Then also I'll be providing some audio notes on, let's say if I am suggesting PNAT, then PNAT में भी particular कौन सा पढ़ना है, क्या पढ़ना है, I'll be suggesting that. Okay, so ये हुआ. Then notes making हुआ. Then after that, in entire week you will read about this. Or maybe Friday or Saturday there will be test. Friday or Saturday there will be test. Now in that test I'll be giving questions based on this. Now you have to write answers. You have to write answers, and then you have to send that to me. I will evaluate those answers, and then I will also provide a discussion class for maybe some tests. Okay, for all the tests I will be providing discussion class, and also there will be discussion session. There will be discussion session in the group. मे बी 15 और 20 स्टूडेंट्स का ग्रुप के एक स्काइप का हम स्काइप पे डिस्कशन सेशन करेंगे. यहाँ पे आई विल बी सॉल्विंग योर एवरी लिटिल क्वेरी. Here we will group discuss. Why group discussion? Because every student joining here is a bright candidate who is potential candidate to score PAR 300 plus. So we all here can learn from every candidate. Okay, so that's why we will have group discussion. In that we will learn from every student there. Also, you will have one-to-one discussion with me. One-to-one discussion with me. That can be over call. We will arrange a call, and कॉल पे हो सकता है, टेलीग्राम पे हो सकता है, व्हाट्सएप पे हो सकता है और स्काइप पे भी हो सकता है. So one-to-one discussion, solving every query. See, this is not a corporate program like any other class where people are just taking money from you and the relation between the student and teacher is only for money. No, this is not like that. I don't know, have you seen my DAF or not? In my DAF, I have mentioned my hobby as teaching. My father is a teacher. My father is a primary teacher, and I am very fond of teaching. I am very passionate about teaching. That's why this program is there, so that I can teach whatever I know about anthropology. I can teach that to students, so that it will be very easy to achieve their dream. See, many things in anthropology I learned by trial and error. I used to read something, then I used to get, okay, for this there is another source where I can read, and I don't want this to happen with you. That's why I am here to provide such kind of guidance. Okay, so we will learn the one-to-one test. Also in feedback I will tell you how to structure your answers, and in every week whenever I will give syllabus and whenever I will give sources, with that also I will give you structure for making notes. How you can make notes, how you can write answers, I will be giving structures for that. Okay, so once I will give you structures and then you can write. So our goal is to go beyond 300 plus. Okay, so जो टेस्ट सीरीज में है, टेस्ट सीरीज में बहुत से लोग क्या होता है, सिलेबस देते हैं, you go write test, evaluate. यहाँ पे भी evaluation भी it will be done by me. Evaluation will be done by me, discussion classes will be done by me, group session, everything is taken by me only. Okay, so I am here for you. See, I said I will start on Monday. Right now it is 6 a.m. in the morning. I wanted to record this video so that because I am very excited about this program, because I was thinking such kind of program for very long time. So we will be starting today. We will be doing everything this on today itself. So welcome to this initiative and stay excited. I expect the equal dedication from you, because if you are equally dedicated, this is a mutual effort to get past 300 plus. Okay, so we are here as a team, we are here as a family. So we will study together, we will grow together, we will improve together, and we will achieve our dream. I want everybody in this group to see in the list. Okay, so thank you so much and welcome to you all, and study hard. Also take care of you and your family. All the best.